Hello world, welcome back to the channel. It's Rahi here and today we are going to dive into the world of color space in computer vision. Whether we are working with images or videos, understanding basic color scale is very crucial in image processing. So let's get started. So what exactly are color space? Color space are nothing but different organization of colors which helps us to manipulate different images. The most common color space format is RGB. This is like three different images, red, green and blue, which stack together and create a colored image. By default, it is the most used color space, but this is not the only one. We also have grayscale, which only show us the intensity of light, like this one. This is called gray image, and this is another color space which is HSV. It separates image intensity from color information. But why do we convert between different color space? Well, certain tasks are easier in different color space. For example, if you want to detect a object, then HSV is great for its greater color information. On the other hand, if you want to detect age detection, then grayscale is great because it makes it simple and reduce the complexity of the image and convert it to a single channel, which is less computationally expensive than RGB image. Now let's see how we can convert between different color space. It's pretty straightforward, so let's go with it. I'll be using this image, which is flower.jpg, and convert it into grayscale. So let's import it. I'll name the variable image is equal to, let's show the image. Yeah, it's working. So now let's convert it into grayscale. Now let's show the image. Yeah, you can see that this is the completely grayscale image. Now let's talk about the image channels. I have told you earlier that RGB image contains three different image stacks, which is red, green and blue. So now let's separate them. So for that, I have to write this. Now we have to import numpy. Now let's write this code. Now I have to use the unsigned integer. Now let's separate three different image layer and show them.
ভাই শুরু করছি 5টার দিকে আপনার হলো করলাম অথেন্টিকেশন নিয়ে কিছু কাজ করা লাগতেছে অথেন্টিকেশন ছাড়া বাকি জিনিসপত্রগুলো আপনার আর কি ঠিকঠাক মতো করা যাচ্ছে না অথেন্টিকেশনটা লাইব্রেরিটা ইনস্টল করা দরকার এগুলো করলাম তো লাগবে আমাদের পাঠাচ্ছে সেগুলো তো কিছু মডেল টডেল ওই আপনার হলো চেকগুলা তো দিয়ে তারপরে কমপ্লিট একজন ইউজার তো অথরাইজ যে ওইটা না হইলে অনেক
So now let's run the code. Voila, you can see that I have the red image, the blue image and the gray image. So what it did here is you can see that for the red image, we know that OpenCV convert the image into BGR format. So here I used B as 0, Z as 0 and only show the R. And same goes for green 0, G 0 and for the blue B 0 and 0. Here 0 is just a matrix with value 0. Now let's convert our image into HSV format. So for that, so now let's show the HSV image. And let's run the code. Here you can see the HSV image. That's it for today's video on working with color space. Now you have got a grip on HSV, RGB and grayscale images, and now you are ready to tackle with a lot of image processing tasks. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know if you have any queries in the comment section.